Is your Windows 11 laptop charging to 100% even though you want to limit the battery to 80%? Here's the fastest way to set an 80% warning so you can stop charging at the right time and help protect your battery. This method works on Windows 11 without installing anything. Important to know up front, Windows doesn't offer a true hard stop at 80% unless your laptop manufacturer supports it. What this method does is notify you at your chosen battery level so you can unplug your charger. That's exactly what most people are looking for when they search how to limit battery charge to 80% on Windows 11. Click the Windows icon and type Power Options, then open it. If you see your active power plan, you're in the right place. This next step is where most people click the wrong menu. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. You should now see a small window with a long list of options. If you don't, go back and make sure you clicked Advanced Power Settings. Scroll all the way down to Battery and click the plus icon to expand it. If you don't see Battery here, don't panic. I'll explain why after the setup. Under Battery, expand Reserve Battery Level. Click Plugged In and change the value to 80%. Before you click Apply, double check that you change the plugged in value, not on battery. That's the most common mistake. If you see 80% listed under plugged in, you're good to go. Click Apply, then OK. From now on, when your laptop is charging and reaches 80%, Windows 11 will notify you so you can unplug the charger. That's your battery limit in practice. Quick recap. You opened Power Options, edited the active power plan, went into Advanced Power Settings, and set the plugged-in reserve battery level to 80%. The correct result is a notification when your battery reaches 80% while charging. If the setting is missing or not working, your laptop manufacturer may control battery limits through its own software. Look for tools like Lenovo Vantage, Dell Power Manager, or ASUS Utilities. Those applications can enable a true 80% charging limit. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.